Hi, welcome to another video on the walking robot Mirft2 using the fischertechnik TXT controller. Last time I installed the community kernel, which had as a result that the sound works fine now, although I do not know if that is indeed the result of the community kernel, but fact is that with the standard kernel it hardly worked, and now it works. However, camera images are not being transferred to the laptop, and I do want to have that done. And since with the community kernel I've set a solid IP address, a static IP address I should say, I have figured out how to change the firewall, because I think the firewall is blocking secure copy of the images to the laptop. So what I am going to do is make a new window and then follow this instruction. So I say UFW allow in on ETH0. Let me first check if it is ETH0, but I do think so. Scrolling back a little bit. Yes, ETH0. So, once again, UFW allow in on ETH0 from, and that will be this one. Or let me just skip it. You need to be root, of course. So rules updated. That's fine, thank you. And now status. Once again inactive. So I say how do I activate? Enable, or let's just say enable. Alright. Once again, status. Yes, thank you. So, now we have done this. Let's check if it indeed runs. There we go for the program. Okay, I don't like this. So let's go here. And I need to kill this one, 1306. Thank you. there it goes. However, what I do want to know is are there any? No, there isn't. There's no text image TXT images copied. I don't like that. There's one image made. One. So I need to get back to the Y of this in here. So that's step 2. Alright. Upon looking at the code, I see that I have made a slight mistake. This should be a very different IP address. So I will change that first. Then do it again. I hate this. I hate this. I should kill 1377. There we go. New attempt. Okay, the sound works. However, yes, network is unreachable. How logical. But now, no such thing. So let's check here. Do we have a TXT image? No, we don't. Scrolling back. No route to host. Alright. Then my IP address again, please. No, that's not it. Oh, 120. Yeah, that makes a whole difference. Come on. IP addresses make a big difference. So let's see how this works out. If it works out. This is taking a long time. Too long? Yes, it hangs. So this time it is 1433. Let's go again. Now we go. Yes. Oh, come on. Oh, but well, sound obviously works. And here we go. So, let's pick. Which one to take? Alright, let me use this one. I want another program, but apparently it's not installed yet. And this is kind of Photoshop, but for Linux. And the other one is a really wizarding tool. This is taking too long for my comfort. Alright. This one, open. Empty input? Yes, empty input. Okay. I did not check that. But yes, it's empty input. It's 0. I did not expect that at all. So, let's run it again. Okay, I need to fix things. So, find things out and then go on. So, right now I have changed a few things. First of all, I have used SSH key generator and subsequent commands to make sure that I won't have to give my password each time an image is copied to this laptop. Then I installed ImageMagick, which is a very fast way to view an image. And if you watch my discovery videos, then you know about it, because I've used that there quite a few times. Then it is time to modify the program, because this sound is going on and on, and that is not what I want. So I change this as a for loop for, let's say, X sound in range, let's say 5 times in range 0 to 4. And then I have to adjust this. With as a result that this only happens 4 times, and whether this line should be within this loop or this line should be within this loop, we'll find out. So far I'm okay with it, so let's try once again. Okay, that is not as intended. But going back and see here, there are 2 text images. So let's go here and find the text image, which will be this one. Looking at the result, it is 0 again, not good. And then this isn't good either. So going here, this is 4x in range 0 to 3. It does not give an error message. But let's just change something that I changed the sequence. So let's see if this works. Connection aborted. Thank you very much. Does it accept the Control C? No, it does not. I have to kill 1623 process ID. No, 23, not 32. So, go again. Will it actually work? No, not the way I want. I'm trying to trace it back. It copies it. Ah, yeah, it's 0. Okay. So what's wrong with this? Let's add something. No. This is not entirely correct. This is better. Mind the indentation. So let's check again. This is not going well. Okay, let's check further. So far it is not going too well here, mostly. And right now I don't know why that is. What I can do, of course, is put this in here. I think that would be a very good idea. So that is one. Although now I have to take care for indentation. This is good, this is good, and this is good. Let's check this. Ha! It does count, but it doesn't stop. Oh, this is very interesting. Very interesting indeed. And so now it plays the for loop, but it doesn't stop. And that's curious. because it is there's a while loop inside. Here's a while loop, motor is finished. It keeps saying not motor. If I scroll back a bit, here's not motor. Here's a not motor, then a sound again. So this while just keeps going on. And I have to think about how to stop this. Anyway, this has been a very nice experiment. What I still have to do is to stop the interface from asking a manual OK for an SSH connection, and I found out that that is because I didn't set a password for the interface, for the user on the interface. So that is something that I still have to do, and I will stop or end with a short camera part on the interface so you can see what it does. As you've seen before, when making contact I have to acknowledge on the display that I indeed want to connect. So here you see the question, do I want to connect, allow as FTC, and I have to say yes, I do, and on that way I am connected. And you can see that right here. Let me remove the bottom bit. Now I am connected. So I will disconnect, and via the laptop I will add a password. Oops, that is not going good. Anyway, and it says it needs a stronger password than I'm giving it now. So and in this case it may be a little bit boring, but it is picky on passwords. It says it's too weak. And now it's okay. Passwords don't match, that's another problem, of course. Now the password is changed, so I'm going to make contact once again. Now I have to fill in my password. And I'm in. It doesn't ask for manual authentication anymore. And I will once more show you. So I'm taking this one, and here I have to use the password once again. And I'm in, as you can see. And then I can also show you that, well, the latest image actually has a content, but that is for next time. So for now, thank you for watching, and to be continued.